You have to switch your bike on first. That I don't know. Top box. Stand back, folks, and watch Brian panic while he looks for his key. It wasn't on the table. Is it in your tank bag? In your top? I saw a lanyard there, is that not it? Was it just the key? Panic over, Brian has found his keys. He has also found his remote control that he lost 2 days ago in the same pocket. What's he like, eh? Let's go. Picture with a camel.
That's what they're here for, though, aren't they? Because you don't get camels in this.
No, you don't.
Up this end of Morocco, really. They're just for. Well, that's tight round the neck. Just pulled the chest hair out by mistake.
I don't have that problem.
Well, I don't. Just have the odd straggler.
Alright.
You hero.
You got a van coming.
Yeah, well, I'm in now.
Not a bad view of the gorge, to be fair.
Beautiful. Have you had a look at our tyres recently?
Not since we looked. Was it last night we were looking at them?
Yeah.
They're alright, right? Probably about mine's certainly half worn. On the back, front's fine. Yours is a bit better.
Oh, we did look at them last night, didn't we?
We did. Yes. Might have been fucked by the time we get back without a doubt. What's the gravelly corner?
Yes, it is. It wasn't like that before.
Yes, mine will be fairly done when I get back, I'm sure. But it'll do the trip, I'm sure.
Say again.
It'll do the trip, I'm sure. So our end destination, hopefully today, is a place called, is it NKob? Which is NKob. But as far as we're concerned, it's Knob. So we're heading to Knob. Which is actually only 70 miles from where we are now, but we have no confirmed reports on what the road's like. It may be tarmac, it may be gravel, it may be both, which is most likely. But we are going to see. I don't know how far up there, I can't remember, but it was up there somewhere. bit ahead of myself. Might be a bit ahead of myself there.
What, with the fuel station?
Yeah.
No, I think we did do a right there.
Yeah, I think we did.
Or was that coming out of Ben Hibdu? That might have been coming out of Ben Hibdu actually. Warming up now, baby.
Half a mile. 0.4. Well, this is signposted, mate.
Yeah, it looks like dirt to me.
Right. Knob. There you go. First bit's alright. There you go. That bit's okay, my friend.
Yeah.
We're getting all anxious then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just sort of looking ahead which way we could be going, and they look like tracks, don't they? So
Yeah.
we did say it's possibly a bit of both, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's a fair vista, that is. Mountains all the way across. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. Look at that. Look at
That's
that.
something out of a western, that is.
Yeah, all we need now is a desert road.
No, we don't.
No, we don't.
Do not give me sand.
Yeah.
I will poo my pants.
What a landscape. What are your thoughts, Mr. Jones? Is this awesome or what?
It's lovely.
It's lovely. Not awesome.
Well, I think the other bit was more awesome than this, but yeah, it's lovely. It's awesome-ish.
Awesome-ish. Truck. Well, van.
A bit like being in Wales.
It's not like being in Wales. It's this sort of barren landscape that started getting me to fall in love with Morocco.
Yeah?
Yeah. is awesome. Look at that. Have a drink of water. Coming here, folks, on a bike, I think a camel pack is a very good idea. I know you can keep stopping and drinking water, and that's fine, but it is nice just to be able to carry on, just have a slurp of water. There he is. Hello, Mr. Jones.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, drinking.
Ah.
I was having a drink.
Yes, good idea, the camel packs, weren't they?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Now we can take the camel track if you like.
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't want you getting too comfortable.
Only runs up the side of it anyway.
Yeah, no.
You go down that one and I'll go on this one and we'll meet you here somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you join it again there, if you can get through the barrier.
Yes, you're not getting through the barrier, are you?
No, I don't know how you get back on the road.
Unless it's just, no, it's quite, no, you're not getting back up there, are you?
No.
No. So not even I'm tackling that bit down there. Now that is awesome.
Yeah, that's what you call a view.
And that view. Look at the view, look at the road, look at the view, look at the road. I only wish you could take a picture that truly shows what your eyes are seeing. You know, even on a panoramic view, it still doesn't capture that you're looking at right there, does it?
No, I mean some photographers will take a really good picture, but mine are just rubbish.
The best ones I've ever seen are helicopter shots, because then you truly do get the wide angle then, don't you? That's just awesome. Obviously didn't want to finish the last bit.
Where did that come from?
Petrol station.
I need fuel.
what was on the list, I think, is up here. So, and that was quite a nice one. It was what we were looking at last night, I think, wasn't it? The other road ended. So we'll have to. Oh dear, it's a bit gnarly, mate. So hope this leads somewhere. Fuck.
I don't think it does it? Yeah, to some steps.
Not good, mate. That's not good. So look, see. Looks like I'm going down the steps. Oh shit, no. No.
You think?
What? Yeah.
Oh shit! Feels like you could fall over.
You got it?
Oh fuck!
Go on, go on. That's the easy one done. Right. Thank you, matey. Right. That'll do. I'll be good from there.
We're going back to the top.
Yeah.
Well, that was our experience. Be clear, Steve.
It was.
I think it'd be that one on the front.
Yeah.
Well, let's just try to turn me round now.
Well, I ain't down that one.
No. He's trying to set me down
There you
there.
go. Hotel, apartment, hotel. Omar.
Is that the one?
Yeah. $100 meters. Take your time, it's a bit bumpy. And there it is. Sorry about that, matey.
It's alright, it's all experience, isn't it?
Oh! Right. Turn you off. We're here. Tune in later.
سلامات سلام سلامات 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 سلام سلامات بيعي سلامات مدينة ويل سلامات مدينة يرول سلامات مدينة توريد سلامات مدينة مركال سلامات 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 سلام سلامات